Why your Samsung TV shows a thermal warning and amp. How to fix it. Is your Samsung TV overheating or showing a thermal warning? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we explain why Samsung Smart TVs face overheating problems, what causes the thermal warning, and how you can fix it easily at home. From proper ventilation tips to system checks, we'll help you keep your TV safe and running smoothly. Watch till the end for effective solutions. 1. Normal heat generation. Samsung TVs feel warm after prolonged viewing because the LCD LED panel produces heat, dissipated via top vents. This is expected, but excessive warmth signals a problem. 2. Ventilation blockage. Poor airflow is the top culprit. Ensure at least 4–6 inches of space around the TV, avoid enclosing it in cabinets or placing it against walls. Dust buildup in vents traps heat, clean them monthly with compressed air. 3. Extended usage. Running the TV for hours, especially with bright settings or graphics-heavy content like games, overloads the cooling system. Samsung notes this as a primary trigger for warnings. 4. Fan malfunction. Many models have internal fans to pull hot air out. A fan error message means it's failing or clogged, common in 5+-year-old units. Listen for unusual noise on startup. If silent, the fan may need replacement. 5. Ambient temperature. High room temps, above 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius, exacerbate issues. Samsung recommends operating in 50,104 degrees Fahrenheit, 1040 degrees Celsius. Use air conditioning or a fan to cool the area during summer. 6. Software glitches. Faulty firmware can misread sensors, causing false alarms even if the TV feels cool. Update via settings and GT, support and GT, software update. This often recalibrates thermal detection. 7. Hardware faults. Aging components like capacitors or thermal sensors fail, leading to cascading heat. In older plasmas or LEDs, one faulty LED can overwork others, causing hot spots and melting risks. 8. Power cycle reset. For immediate relief, unplug the TV for 5–10 minutes, full discharge, then restart. This clears temporary glitches and allows cooling. Users report it resolves 50% of startup warnings. 9. Preventive habits. Dim brightness, settings and GT, picture and GT. Expert settings, enable eco mode to reduce power draw, and turn off the TV when idle. Avoid stacking devices that block vents. 10. When to seek help. If warnings persist after basics, contact Samsung support or a technician. Issues like LED failures may void for models under warranty. Push for inspection. Upgrades to better cooled units may be needed for chronic cases. Addressing these early prevents permanent damage like screen cracks or board failures. If symptoms match a specific model, provide details for tailored advice.